When a body moves on another body, there is a force of friction, and if we want to push somebody on the other, we have to apply efforts because of that friction. Now if the motion is of sliding type, where things rub each other, surfaces rub each other, in that case the friction is large and we also have to apply a large force. But another possibility is that the things roll on the surface, they rotate on the surface and then go ahead, so that is called rolling. In the case of rolling, the friction is substantially lower than that in the case of sliding. That's why people take this opportunity, make use of this fact that rolling friction is smaller than the sliding friction. In this particular experiment, we will be having a feel of that. So I have this book, which is a heavy object, I'll say, and then using a spring I'll measure how much force I have to apply. So I am now, this is a sliding motion, the book is on the table and it will just slide. So see, the entire spring has been stretched to its maximum length, more than 500 grams of reading, then only it slides. I have to apply a large force, more than 500 grams. The entire spring is stretched, the whole length, maximum length, that is stretched. After that the book starts sliding. Now what I will do, I will be putting two pencils or two cylindrical objects below this book, and when I do that, you see that the effort will be much less. So these are two pens, cylindrical objects, and the book will be placed, I will be placing the book on this. Now when I pull, it will not slide, it will roll, it will not rub each other, it will just rotate, and now you can see that it started moving at a much lower stretch of the spring. That means much lower force applied by me. Once again, look at the spring carefully and compare with the previous case. Last time it was stretched to its full length, and this time it is stretched to a much smaller length. See, here itself it slides, and if I read, that is around 150 grams or so, and previously it was more than 500 grams or so. So what do we learn? When things rub each other, surfaces rub each other, the friction is much larger than when the surfaces do not rub but roll each other, rotate, and then go ahead like any wheel.